everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hania.
Hello, Hania. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you all today.
Hi, Kamyar. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? You look quite professional today.
I am well, thank you. And yes, today feels like a very professional day because we have a topic that so many of our viewers working in offices or looking for jobs have asked for.
Oh, I think I know what it is. Is it about that moment when someone asks you, "So, what do you do?" And suddenly your mind goes blank?
Exactly. Or when you're in a meeting and want to share an idea but the words don't come. Or worse, a job interview.
Hmm,
Tell me, have you ever been in this situation? You're at a social event or on a video call, and someone asks, "So, what do you do?" And suddenly you feel panic. You know your job in your own language, but in English, the words disappear. You simplify it too much. I am office worker. Or you stay silent in meetings because you're afraid to speak up. What if your colleagues think your English isn't good enough? What if you miss a promotion because you can't express your ideas clearly?
that fear is so real. Your work is your identity. Your career is your pride. Not being able to talk about it in English can make you feel small, invisible. It can hold your back for years.
But what if I told you that talking about your job in English doesn't require perfect grammar? What if you could learn a simple framework today that you can use tomorrow? A way to describe your job with confidence, share your ideas in meetings, and even ace that job interview.
That would change everything. Because your voice at work matters. Your ideas matter. And today, we're going to make sure you can express them.
Yes, today we are talking about how to talk about your job in English, simple office English. We will break it down into easy steps. We will practice simple phrases, and we will remove that fear together.
Are you ready to find your professional voice in English?
Let's begin. Let's start with the foundation, the most common question. What do you do? Or what is your job? This question comes at parties, meetings, networking events. We need 3 ready answers.
Exactly. Let me share Formula 1. It's the simplest. I'm a job title. For example, I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a designer. This is short, clear, and perfect for quick conversations.
Good. Now, Formula 2 gives more information. I work as a job title at company or place. Listen, I work as a project manager at a tech company. I work as a nurse at City Hospital. This tells people both your role and your workplace.
And Formula 3 is for when your job is complex. I work in field or department. For example, I work in marketing. I work in human resources. I work in software development. You don't need to explain the exact title, just the area.
Now, let's make it even better. After the basic answer, add one sentence about what you do. Use this: I mainly verb, or my main job is to verb.
Great examples. I'm a graphic designer. I mainly create logos and websites. I work in sales. My main job is to find new clients. I'm a teacher. I mainly teach mathematics to high school students.
Let's practice together. I'll say a job, and you add the action sentence. Ready? Accountant.
I'm an accountant. My main job is to check company finances.
Excellent. Now, viewers, your turn. Pause and say, I'm a blank. I mainly blank. Do it 3 times with your real job.
Beautiful. Now, sometimes people ask, what does that involve? Or what do you do exactly? This means they want more details. Don't panic. Use simple words.
Say, well, every day I usually, and list 2 to 3 simple tasks. Example, well, every day I usually check emails, meet with my team, and write reports. See? No complicated words. Now let's move to daily office life, the small conversations that build relationships. These are short but very important.
First, greetings in the morning. Instead of just, hello, you can say, good morning, how was your weekend? On Monday. Hi there, how are things going? Any day. Hello, did you have a good evening? In the morning.
And how to answer. Simple replies. It was good, thank you. How about yours? Things are going well. Busy, but good. Yes, it was quiet. Thank you for asking. Always return the question. It keeps the conversation flowing.
Now, lunch or break time conversations. Common questions. What are you working on today? How is your project going? Anything interesting happening?
Answers can be, I'm finishing a report. It's almost done. The project is going well. We're on schedule. Just the usual tasks, but it's good. You don't need to give details, just a positive, short answer.
And when you leave for the day, have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your night. Simple, but makes you sound friendly and professional.
One more important thing, asking for help. Many learners are afraid to ask, but it's normal. Say, could you help me with this for a moment, please? I have a question about the system. Do you have time? Can you explain this to me? I want to make sure I understand.
Remember, asking questions shows you care about doing good work. It's a strength, not a weakness.
Now let's talk about meetings. This is where many people feel nervous, but with some key phrases, you can participate actively.
First, when you want to share an idea. I have an idea about that. What if we try this approach? Maybe we could consider... Start gently. Don't say, you are wrong. Say, I have a different idea.
Second, agreeing with someone. That's a good point. I agree with that completely. Yes, I think that's the right direction. Agreeing shows you're listening and supportive.
Third, disagreeing politely. This is very important. I see what you mean, but I have a different thought. That's interesting, however, I think... I understand your point. From my perspective, never say you're wrong. Always acknowledge first, then share your view.
Fourth, when you don't understand something, could you explain that again, please? I'm not sure I follow. Can you give an example? Just to clarify, do you mean... Asking for clarification is professional. It prevents mistakes.
Let's do a quick role play. Hania, let's have a meeting about a project deadline.
I think we should extend the deadline by 1 week. The team needs more time.
I understand your concern about time. However, I think we can finish on schedule if we work overtime this week.
That's a good point about overtime, but what about team stress?
You're right about team stress. Maybe we can find a middle solution?
See? Polite, professional, and clear. No perfect grammar needed, just clear ideas.
Now, the most stressful situation for many, the job interview. Let's prepare for common questions.
Question 1. Tell me about yourself. This is not your life story. Focus on your professional self. Structure. Current role. Currently, I work as a marketing specialist. Main responsibility. I manage all social media campaigns. Key achievement. Recently, I increased our engagement by 40%. Future goal. Now I'm looking to grow into a managerial role.
Question 2. Why do you want this job? Prepare this answer. Say, I want this job because I admire your company's work in blank. This position matches my skills in blank perfectly. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to blank. Be specific. Show you research the company.
Question 3. What are your strengths? Pick 2 to 3 real strengths with examples. I'm very organized. For example, I always meet deadlines. I'm a team player. I enjoy collaborating with colleagues. I learn quickly. Last month, I learned a new software in 1 week.
Question 4. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Show ambition, but be realistic. I see myself growing within this company, taking on more responsibility. I hope to develop my skills in project management and lead a team. I want to become an expert in my field and train new employees.
Remember, it's okay to pause before answering. Say, "That's a good question. Let me think for a moment." This shows you're thoughtful, not unprepared. Time for practice. We have 5 common work situations. I want you to speak your answer out loud. Ready? Practice 1. The networking event.
Practice 1. The networking event. You're at a professional event. Someone asks, "So, what do you do?" Give your 2-sentence introduction.
Practice 2. The team meeting. Your colleague suggests a new process. You like the idea but have a small improvement. Share your thought politely.
Practice 3. Asking for help. You received a complicated email from a client. Ask your manager for help understanding it.
Practice 4. The interview. Interviewer asks, "Why should we hire you?" Give a confident, short answer.
Practice 5. Office small talk. It's Friday afternoon. A coworker says, "Big plans for the weekend?" Respond and ask them back.
Great job! Practice these daily. Say them in the shower, while cooking, anywhere. They will become automatic.
Your work represents years of learning, effort, and passion. You've overcome challenges. You've developed skills. That story deserves to be heard.
Perfect English grammar is not the goal. Clear communication is. People respect clarity more than perfection. Your accent is part of your identity. It shows you speak multiple languages, which is a strength.
Start small. Tomorrow, use one new phrase. When someone asks what you do, use our formula. In a meeting, share one idea. Each small success builds your confidence.
Don't let language be a barrier to your career growth. You have valuable ideas. You have unique perspectives. The professional world needs your voice. We believe in your ability to express yourself. We are incredibly proud of the professional you are becoming.
Your journey matters. Every word you speak in English at work is a victory. Celebrate those victories.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. This tells YouTube to recommend it to other learners.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel and hit the bell icon. We post new simple English lessons every week.
Most importantly, practice in the comments. Write, "I work as a blank. My main job is to blank." We read and reply to every comment.
Share this video with a friend who's also building their career. Learn English together.
Thank you for watching. Keep growing, keep learning, keep shining. Bye for now.